Knock, knock.
Peekaboo. I see you. Want to come over and play another game? Come on in then. This is my house. All of my neighborhood friends come by to visit me here. We have play dates. I love playing games with my friends. Sometimes I even play jokes on them. What's that? It's not coming from in there. The knocking isn't coming from here either. I wonder what that knocking could be. I know! It's a visitor knocking at the door. Oh, me! Oh, my! I wonder who's come by. Who goes there? What a cute little sound! Somebody's come over for a play date, but I can't tell who it is. Can you help me figure it out? Who is it? Let's listen. What animal sounds like that? It sounds like chirping. The same chirping I hear out my window early in the morning. I know what animals chirp like that. Birds! Birds love to chirp. It must be my friend Betty the bird at the door. Have you come to visit the one and only Tillie? That's me. Why, yes, Tillie. I've come over to play. Can I come in? That chirping is definitely a birdie. Hi, Tillie. It's nice to see you. I knew that had to be you, Betty. The cutest little chirp from the cutest little bird in town. We birds do love to chirp all day long. We figured it out. A cute chirp from a cute bird. I'm glad you came over to play with me. Come by again. You never know who will visit next time.